Okay, good morning and assalamu alaikum all of you. So happy to see you all. Okay, today just first before starting our new topic, we want to just recall all the letters which we have learned last few days. My dear Makkals, I am thinking that you know how to identify this letter and you also know how to write all these letters. Isn't it? So today it is not going to come on the board. It is coming in my hand. Okay? Can you say which letter is this? Yes, M. What is the sound of it? M. Okay. Can you say which letter is this? V. Can you say the sound of it? V. Can you say which letter is this? X. What is the sound of it? X. Can you say which letter is this? Y. What is the sound of it? Yeah. And the last week letter is here. Which is this letter? W. And what is the sound of it? V. There should be a vibration. I had told you, no, there should be a vibration here in your lips. V. Okay. Today I will just show you a picture on the board to learn the phonic sound of the new letter. Ready? Look onto the board. You can see a person here. You know who is he? He is a king. What is king? You already learned in wild animals, no? Who is the king of forest? Who is the king of forest? Yes, lion. Like that. What do you mean by king? Raja. This is also the king of some country, okay? This is also the king of some country. Okay. This is a king, and what the king is doing? You just look, what is the king doing? He is just kicking. He is just kicking. What is kicking? You know football. You know football. We will be kicking the football. You know that. Okay. So the king is kicking. What the king is kicking? The king is kicking a kettle. Have you seen this kettle? I think in almost every home there will be this thing. For boiling water, kettle, for make chaya and all. Your mama will be boiling water in this. This is kettle. So shall we just recite this phonic sound? Ready? Okay. King kicked a kettle, k. King kicked a kettle, k. Is the sound of K. K is the sound of K. What is the sound of K? K. So this is the new letter you are going to learn today. Okay, you are going to learn the letter K. And what is the sound I had told you? K. Did you heard this sound anywhere else? No, you are hearing it for the first time, isn't it? Okay, so king kicked a kettle, k is the sound of K. So we are going to learn the letter K, and the sound of letter K is K. What is the sound of letter K? K. Okay, so I will show you some pictures which starts with the letter K and which has the sound K. Ready? Okay, which is having the sound K. Ready? There is a picture in your textbook. I will bring that picture onto the board. Ready? You can see two boys are playing. Okay, two boys are playing. One boy is having one thing in his hand. He is flying that. What is it? Yes, kite. What is it? Kite. 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 And the other boy is playing with the football. Okay, is what I had just told you, no? What is he doing the ball? He is kicking. Kick. Kick. You can see one more picture there. It is a small animal. It is the young one of a goat. It's the young one of a goat. Do you know what is it? Kid. What is the baby of a goat called? Look, you will be pronouncing goat as goat also. Goat. Order. But the correct pronunciation is goat. Okay. So the baby of a goat is kid. Baby of a goat is kid. Now I will show you some more pictures on the board. Please look. The first picture you might have seen in Animal Planet or some Discovery Channel. There is animal. What is it? Yes, it's a kangaroo. What is it? It's a kangaroo. 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 Look, this kangaroo is having a pouch in its front. For what is that pouch? For carrying its baby. Okay, for carrying its baby, the kangaroo is having a pouch in its front. Okay, now the next picture you are already familiar. In the first phonics song I had told you who is kicking the kettle? The king. So who is that? A king. 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 Now you look at the next picture. Many may be having this at your home. You may be very fond of it. The baby of a cat. What is it? Yes, kitten. The baby of a cat is kitten. 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 Then now you look the next picture. I was saying you the king was kicking what? The king was kicking a kettle which your mother used to boil water in your home. So what is it? Kettle. What is it? Kettle. Kettle. Okay. Now let me show all the pictures on the board. Ready? Okay. All the pictures together are on the board. Look at the first picture. Kite. What is it? Kite. Okay. You can see the word also below that. Kite. Kite. The next one, the boy is kicking the ball. Kick. And next you can see a kid. That is the baby of a goat. Kid. The next one, kangaroo. Kangaroo is having a small pouch in front of it to carry its baby. Kangaroo. The next one, king. King. The next one, the baby of a cat. Kitten. Kitten. The next one, yes, which one we are using for boiling water? What is it? Yes, kettle. Now, my dear children, you have seen all the pictures and the words here. You might have noticed, look, all the first letters are given in another color. Right? So that is the letter which we want to learn, which we have learned. I was saying no king, kettle, cake, k. Right? The letter is K and the sound is K. The letter is K and the sound is K. Now I am going to show you how to write this letter. Ready? The mama letter and baby letter are same, only there is difference in the size. You just look here. So here is the mama letter K. First you want to put a standing line, then a slanting line. Without taking the hand, again one slanting line. Look here, one standing line, then first it is standing line, then a slanting line, then again a slanting line. So you want to know how to write the baby K, isn't it? So for that I am keeping the mother K, mama K here itself, because you want to know the difference between two. Okay, look at the baby K, how to write. You want to put a standing line, and the slanting two lines are small as compared to mama K, as compared to mama letter K. Right, understood? One standing line and same two slanting lines we are putting, but it is small as compared to mama letter K. This is how we are writing mama letter K and baby letter K. Right? Okay, so it is very easy. Don't feel confused. You have to practice this in your workbook. And as usual in the textbook, you are having some words in that yellow column, and in that column there are many words with this letter K, and you want to find out the letter K from that and underline it with your pencil. Okay? Okay. And now we will stop our class with the rhyme in your textbook. Which is that rhyme in your textbook? Yeah, you can see a clock over here, and you can see a boy also, and a mouse also, isn't it? You can see a clock, you can see a boy, and you can see a mouse also. So shall we recite that rhyme? Will you recite after me? I will recite one by one line. You have to recite after me. Okay? Ready? Hickory dickory dock. Say all of you. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. So I will sing once again. Listen me carefully. Okay. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Okay, my dear cuties, be always happy and do everything with a smiling face. Ready? Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum, and we will meet in the next class. Bye bye.